Glendon's a great place to meet new people and practice both official languages at the same time. I think that's the best part about Glendon.
I was really attracted to that opportunity to study science also in French.
I was afraid of losing my French after high school, and because Glendon is bilingual, I could keep my French here.
J'ai choisi Glendon parce que je voulais une communauté multilingue. Walking through the hallways, you hear a bunch of other languages, and I think that's pretty awesome.
I remember first coming into Frosh Week, right? I was pretty scared. I didn't really know anyone. I didn't know what I was doing. With me, an Anglophone, taking a French math course, it was very much a little bit of a culture shock. And now in my final year, kind of working as a bilingual person, it's really incredible. It's one of those things that I know I can do because of the community, because they have our backs.
I think a lot of us come in here and we think that you have to be fully bilingual and we get worried about it, but really just coming to fourth year and realizing I have all the skills and that I can get up and do these presentations and not be nervous about it anymore. Gaining confidence with the French program has become the highlight. Et maintenant, je suis plus confiante dans tous mes cours.
A lot of people think that if they don't know French, they're not going to be accepted at Glendon. We're going to sit down with you and we're going to give you all the attention that you need. We're going to make sure that you learn the language.
Feeling like you're supported and that people actually understand what you're going through, I thought it was really nice.
Our instructors are fully bilingual, in some cases even trilingual or quadrilingual, so you can feel free to ask questions in the official language of your choice.
Our students do courses in both languages, and that prepares our students for careers where bilingualism is often looked for by organizations.
Si vous parlez seulement une langue, c'est un peu plus difficile de trouver un emploi. However, as soon as you add an extra language like French, you've now increased your possibilities for employment, and I just think that's awesome. You want to open as many doors as possible, and you can totally do that here at Glendon. Il y a des activités comme le film au salon francophone, et il y a beaucoup d'occasions de parler français. Vous pouvez améliorer votre français n'importe où.
L'idée de Glendon, c'est que tu peux avoir des conversations avec les autres. Tu peux avoir des discussions. You can be you, and you have that space to flourish within your community. This is a community that fosters that and also prides itself in that.
Glendon est ici pour enseigner. Si tu as besoin d'aide, on est toujours là pour t'aider.